Now at 5, controversy over vaccination information. A couple is suing the state of Connecticut over privacy concerns.
Now, they don't want the state to release those school-by-school vaccination numbers, but the state says the public, you, have a right to know.
Channel 3's Courtney Zeller is joining us live from Hartford Superior Court with more on the story. Courtney?
Well, Denise and Dennis, it has been the law in the state since the late 1950s that you have to vaccinate your child before they can enter school. But there are exemptions like religious or medical exemptions. But this family says that they feel their medical information is being compromised with this vaccination list floating out there. Women wearing white in support of a lawsuit a Woodstock couple filed against the state's Department of Public Health recently.
So this isn't even about vaccines or if vaccines are good or bad at all. This is really about the government inserting themselves in the decision-making process between parents and physicians. The government has no business intercepting the parent-doctor relationship, and they need to stay out of it.
The Festa family wants to put an end to school-by-school vaccination lists being released. Their child, who isn't vaccinated, goes to a private school in Meriden. After the list was released, they received online threats. While no student names are listed in the report, they feel there is still a privacy issue.
My client's school, children's school, is very small. There's only about 50 kids. So it really is not that difficult for parents to figure out and ask around, okay, who doesn't have their shots, and from there, that's where we feel like the medical information is compromised.
When the list was released this past spring, it created a firestorm of controversy. Governor Ned Lamont took matters into his own hands and overrode the public health commissioner, who was only going to release data county by county. The state has asked for this lawsuit to be thrown out.
That it's important for the public to have information, and there are a number of states that have been releasing immunization data on a school-by-school basis for years. And I think clearly Connecticut is going in that direction. The governor has directed that information to be released.
Those states that already released that information are our neighbors: Massachusetts, New York, Rhode Island, and Maine. This case has caused concern after the country is experiencing the worst measles outbreak in 25 years.
So we have been collecting this data, and we have been reporting this data statewide and on a county level since 2003. So earlier this year was the first year that we released that data on a school-by-school basis.
So what's next in this lawsuit? Well, a judge heard both sides today. No decision was made, but we can expect a hearing coming up in the next 30 days. We, of course, will keep you posted on when that might be. We are live at the mobile newsroom tonight from Hartford. Courtney Zeller, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.